Monaco passport. Sorry, I have my early morning prayers or devotion going on. I'm wearing a gown today. This is what I'm wearing with the black sandals, and I'll be carrying a red bag. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I will be spending the whole of today in Monaco to look around, play around, and then come back, because tomorrow I have to leave for a different country. I don't really have any update to provide you guys today, except about my walk around the city yesterday, and that which I tend to do either in a voiceover or maybe just share my experience after the whole trip is all done. I don't know yet, but I'm really running out of. Oh, I don't have my watch on me. I'm running out of time at the moment, so I'm just trying to, get done and be out as soon as possible. I'm feeling bloated, and I'm bloated actually, so I'm hoping that by the end of today with my walkabout part 2, the bloating should have gone down. And guys, this is my view. This is the view I'm getting from my room, which actually I don't mind, because the other side of the hotel, the one which faces the main road and the ocean side, it's so busy. The street is so loud and busy, and just back here it's so calm and serene. Guys, I just opened the door, so as you can see, everywhere is just so quiet and calm. I opened my door. I left the door opened last night, though I actually had to check around, to look around to see if there was no way anyone could enter the apartment, or my hotel room. So yeah, the main reason why I left the door opened actually, I want to see the ocean. I can always go out to see the ocean. So I don't know if to take you guys along with what I'm doing. I'm doing my makeup. I decided to wear makeup today just to have a different look. I normally don't do this when I travel. I never wear makeup when I travel, especially when I'm backpacking across countries, because I'm so limited on things I can carry along. In terms of my makeup, skincare products. So when I don't have those in abundance, I always try to carry my natural face. But today I'm feeling so different, so I'm like, whoa, let me just do the makeup, okay? It's not gonna hurt. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just doing something simple, something light. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, I don't know if this makes any difference, but I think it actually does. It does make a difference. I just need to find somewhere to put my camera so I can continue with whatever it is that I'm doing. I need to close this door. Who released Michael Jackson? That's it. You will be there where you are. So this is my final outfit. This is what I'm wearing out today. I don't know if you guys can see anything from the mirror. Okay. Yeah, so this is my final outfit for the day. And Monaco, here I come. I'll see you guys when I get out, okay? Until you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home. Come back home to me. Shelter from the storm, I'll keep you safe and warm. We'll hide out here for as long as excited. You know why? I got a Monaco passport. It's just a make-believe passport, but I'm just so excited to have this. This is a souvenir for me. I'm so happy and excited. I don't know, I think I'm gonna get one for my daughter as well when I'm on my way out. I'm gonna have them write a name on it because I can't travel with her right now because of school and everything. So it breaks my heart actually, but I always carry my daughter everywhere I go. And this year I decided to take it a step further, you know, by taking pictures of her home pictures everywhere I am. So yeah, I'm gonna get one for her as well. First thing I want to do is go find somewhere where I can have some food, maybe just a snack to keep me going. And I also got the pamphlet of Explore Monaco, Visit Monaco. So I will be using this as my guide. Hopefully I'm able to see some places where they sell vintage groceries. I'm hoping to see if I can get something. Oh, does it not work? One thing I must admit about this city, it smells really good. Right on this train station. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I don't see any restaurant around, but you can perceive this nice, did I say odor or scent? It's so nice. Woo! I'm so excited to explore the city. So I have my bag here. Inside my bag, I have my shoulder bag, and I have my camera. I have all my other stuffs. Guys, look at this. Monte Carlo, Monaco, Danny, Monaco. if you want to see videos, more videos like this, please tell your friends to help me grow my YouTube channel and go on more trips and document everything as well for you people. Oh my god, I love this. Just look at this. Oh my god. Oh, hi. Wanna say hello to my camera? Thank you. Ooh.
Lost in the day, floating further away from the anchors that weigh me down. Familiar faces filled with dismay, 'cause the sun rises and it wants. But know your time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and together we will run. Gone are the days where the colors that fade and the rain stay for far too long. Like trees in the garden, we'll hold fast without parting, 'cause we got everything we want. I know your time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and together we will run. Time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and together we will run. far too low. Like trees in the garden, we'll hold fires without parting, 'cause we got everything we want. I know your time will come, and there's no use in going alone. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and together we will run.
Am I in trouble? Yeah.
I think it's forbidden with
Forbidden?
Boss.
No, I'm not recording you. I'm recording myself.
We are waiting.